G'day viewers, it's Phil Lee from SunRIseCars and Edward Lee's. Thanks for watching this video. This is a pretty picture, isn't it? Have a look at this. This is an absolutely beautiful example of a Rover Mini. So, I'll rescue Fluffy the salesman before he gets squished by a car. Go. This is Fluffy the salesman, by the way. He's helping me to sell cars. Back to the subject matter at hand. This is a unique car because it's a limited edition. It's called a Rover Mini Cooper SportsPack wide body. So this is a factory wide body. It gives it that beautiful Tonka tough, cool looking. I don't know. This just looks beautiful. I love the wide bodies. This is what sells. These are in very small numbers. Come here, Fluff. Come. Good on you, salesman, Fluffy. And sorry about this disjointed video. This is just popping with bling. It's got the centre mount sports exhaust. That's up. The wide body wheels. It's got the right wheel package to go with the wide body. So these are a little bit more aggressive than the factory 13-inch rims. These are a set of genuine Japanese Watanabes. Do your research on these. These are the premium performance wheel for old school cars from Japan. So I think it's fitting that this car is sporting some beautiful Watanabes, and they match the pumped out guards. I reckon they're way nicer than the Mini lights. It's got the Japanese fender mirrors, which I think is a beautiful touch. The extra driving lights on the front. It's got the front lip spoiler, that's an option. And this has been cleaned up with these beautiful headlights. Absolutely stunning. These are special upgraded headlights. Just a stunning look. It's got the embossed Mini Cooper. You can just see that embossed logo there that says Mini Cooper in the leather seats, and it's all in beautiful condition. There's a tiny little bit of wear on the varnish on those timber door panels there, but if you've got a little bit of craftsman in you, you can unscrew those with a Phillips head screwdriver, 3 screws, sand it back and revarnish it. There you go, there's a job for you that'll keep you busy on the weekend. But important features, the steering wheel is brand new. It's got the airbag steering wheel, and it's got icy cold air conditioning. All the touchy-feely bits are brand new. That's the AC. Come here, Fluff. Fluff. Sorry about that, interrupted video once again. Don't squash the poodle, mate. No rust. That's a big deal. Whoever's owned this car, it's in beautiful condition. I'd say it's been garaged. All the paintwork is beautiful. All the chrome work is beautiful. All these little features, these, if they sit out in the sun, they turn yellow. The chrome strips in the windows. It's all like new. It's got the original Mini weather shields here. Little touches everywhere that make this car absolutely beautiful. Fluffy's found one of his cousins. There we go. Yeah, all the seats, front and back, immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. No rust, did I mention that? I think so. This is a beautiful example. If you like what you see, give us a call at SunRIseCars/Edward Lee's. We're sending these minis all over Australia, so give us a call for a quote if you're watching this video from interstate, if you're stuck in Melbourne, whatever. If you don't feel like driving to Sydney, just pick up the phone. We'll give you a quote to send this anywhere in Australia. And it's a magnificent car. Absolutely immaculate. Icy cold AC, I think, is the biggest selling point of this car for me. And what's this thing like to drive, I hear you ask? Well, it's like a little roller skate on wheels. It's a go-kart. It's very fun. And you can drive safely with the airbag on a hot day. The air conditioning works absolutely brilliantly. And this has got the 1.3 injected motor, so it's got heaps of grunt. It starts first turn of the key with the Bosch fuel injection. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching this video. Give us a buzz if you've got any more questions. Our number is 02 9744 0539, or go to the website for the price, www.sunrisecars.com.au. Signing off, Phil Lee and salesman Fluffy. Thanks for watching this video. See ya.